Does anyone know which city in India has the highest rate of clearance of the JEE exam? Can't hear you. You say Pune? I can't hear you. If you said Pune, then you're correct, and you do get a chocolate. If you didn't say Pune, then just give the chocolate back, please.
Does anyone know the reason? That is because of Baklibal tutorials. Over last 3 years, Baklibal tutorials had the maximum number of students clearing JEE from Pune.
For our next question, does anyone know how many times in the past 6 years did Baklibal tutorials produce the topper in Pune and Maharashtra? Now if everyone says 5, it can't be right. But it's 5 only, we don't have so many chocolates, sorry, everyone was right.
Okay. Over the years, many of the siblings are passing out from Baklibal tutorials clearing the JEE. This year, Yash Wagh and Jay Wagh are with us. So, does anyone know other siblings who have cleared JEE from Baklibal tutorials? Please name some of them for a chocolate. Does anyone know?
Can nobody name a pair of siblings who have passed out of Baklibal tutorials and cleared the JEE? Fine then, let's move on to our next question. This is an easy one for all of you since you all can't really answer many of them. What is the best JEE rank that Baklibal tutorials has ever produced and who has it been by? Can you all please answer it a little loudly? And by who?
How many? So, all gave the answer right, but there are no so many chocolates. How many years it's since Baklibal tutorials had started?
So how many years has it been since Baklibal tutorials has been started? Yes, 10 is the correct answer. In 2013, which IIT in India got the maximum number of Baklibal's tutorial students? Yes, Madras is correct, not bad.
यार set of siblings नहीं बताया तुमने यार.
बहुत siblings थे Baklibal tutorials से.
That's what.
At least 15 set of siblings.
No one can name one or two
Baklibal
also.
tutorials.
Please raise your hands if you have the answer.
There are so many of them. हाँ.
एक तो हर्षन, बॉबी, रंजन.
Come on, just because they share the same surname doesn't mean they're siblings. In fact, Utsav and Utkarsh Bansal is one of the right answers. You know, you would be surprised, in top 2000 this year, we have 18 students. Out of them, 5 have had their siblings also in Baklibal tutorials. Top 2000 में जो 18 बच्चे हैं, उन्हीं में से 5 ऐसे हैं. There are so many of them. Okay, so Utsav and Utkarsh Bansal आंसर करने के लिए मैंने ही तेरे को बताया था, इसलिए आधी मुझे मिलेगा. Okay, fine.
So, how many students cleared the KVPY examination this year, 2015?
Come on, no chocolates to you.
Come on, this is an easy one.
15 is the answer. And last year also we have had 15 selections in the KVPY exam.
That's correct.
Have you heard of this exam? Yes? हाँ, तो it's a reasonably difficult exam. तुम्हें लग रहा है 15 कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी बात. Till 2013, a couple of students from Bakliwal tutorials used to make it because we never took any pains, took attention about the exams. But from last 2 years, in fact in this year we have made children write mock exams and whatnot. They also took it more seriously than before and we have had 15 selections. Okay, fine. हाँ, तो ये chocolate किनको सर को मिलेगी बिल्कुल. अच्छा.
For our next question, this is quite a difficult one. Let's see who can answer this.
Dr. Wagh का मतलब, I think I would not be wrong in guessing. I'm so grateful to you, sir. आपने अपने दोनों हीरे जो हैं वो बाकलीवाल ट्यूटोरियल्स को सौंपे. अभी सिबलिंग्स की बात हो रही थी. जय वाघ एंड यश वाघ. उनकी रैंक्स गैस कर सकते हो? जय वाघ, यश वाघ. Identical twins that we had this year. 1261 for Jay, and my dear friends, join your hands together. 71. Come on for Yash.
I will come later.
Okay. Sure, sir. Please make it. Yes. Please.
Clear the JEE exam.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. बहुत बार हटा दिया. हाँ, चंद्रमोहन सर को तो मिलेगी चॉकलेट.
Does anyone else know?
Come on, yaar. It was also mentioned in the last year's brochure. Okay, Ashutosh wants to answer, but he would not be given the opportunity. बाकी और लोग बताओ यार, come on. हाँ, who would want to answer? सिबलिंग के बारे में आपको बताना था. सिबलिंग के जलगांव से मिस्टर शाह यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, who are very good friends to Patils, and we have had जलगांव से we have had a sibling. सर कह रहे हैं मैं उनका नाम बताना चाहता हूँ. सुकन्या पाटिल and अंकित पाटिल. And I think Ankit is here today. हाँ, अंकित पाटिल जलगांव से है, IIT बॉम्बे में अभी पढ़ता है. हाँ, तो yes, सुकन्या पाटिल, अंकित पाटिल. You know, I was in Jalgaon a month back for a seminar, and अंकित सुकन्या के जो पेरेंट्स हैं उन्होंने मुझसे कुछ ऐसी बातें शेयर की. I had goosebumps. For example, सुकन्या जो है, by the way, they are from a very modest background and took all pains to make sure that their children prepare for JEE, and both of them are now studying at IIT Bombay. और सुकन्या का तो इतना गर्व है हमें. IIT बॉम्बे में टॉपर है वो, इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच की. इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच में टॉप बच्चे जाते हैं, एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपटीशन रहता है, एंड शी इज द टॉपर देयर. एंड आई जस्ट होप एंड प्रे दैट शी डज हर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम MIT और स्टैनफोर्ड और अ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दैट स्टेचर. तो सुकन्या जब पुणे में तैयारी कर रही थी तो PG में रहती थी वो, कहीं ऑर्डिनरी से PG में रहती थी. तो वहाँ की जो केयर टेकर थी, शी वॉज, आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ लेडी, वो उसको बोलती थी लाइट मत जलाओ, बिल आता है एंड व्हाट नॉट. तो वो पार्किंग में पड़ती थी, सोसाइटी की पार्किंग में, सुकन्या. And you know, what is so touching is when she cleared the co-ed IIT JEE exam, everyone from that society gave her some gift. किसी ने उसे 100 रुपए दिए, किसी ने कुछ गिफ्ट दी. Everyone got so attached and so inspired seeing the way she worked hard for the JEE exam. And similarly, Ankit is here, who is also studying at IIT Bombay. So we have had so many inspirational examples in Bakliwal tutorials. Okay, so anyways, the question was, first student from Bakliwal tutorials जिसकी सबसे पहली रसीद कटी थी Bakliwal tutorials में, उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम है, चल यार आशुतोष क्या याद रखेगा, चॉकलेट दो यार इसे भाई. निरंजन परब is the right name. निरंजन परब.
And did he clear the JEE?
Did he clear the JEE exam? अरे तभी तो ये सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, तुम समझ नहीं रहे यार ये. He cleared the JEE exam with an all India rank of 1065, graduated from IIT Bombay Aerospace, और अभी वो PhD कर रहा है from Purdue University in US. Great. आशुतोष, great. आशुतोष से ज़्यादा तुम क्यों खुश हो? Okay. Now obviously Parth will also get it. Okay. Can we have one or two questions more before we can begin?
Which BT student made a national record in one-handed Rubik's Cube?
Left hand. What's the answer?
Pranav Manekar.
प्रणव मानेरकर. कार्तिक तेरे को बहुत अच्छी गिफ्ट मिल रही है, चॉकलेट का क्या कर लेगा? चलिए. Okay, so Pranav Manekar is now studying at which IIT? You're not sure? तेरा प्राइज में से कम करना पड़ेगा कुछ फिर. Pranav Manekar is studying at
IIT Kanpur, CS.
In fact, I shared with you IIT कानपुर में फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में उसकी ग्रेड्स क्या थी. I think I shared with you.
10.
Perfect 10. He scored a perfect 10 in all grade, all courses, all laboratories, everything. Perfect 10. Okay, fine.
Can we name a few students who topped the board exams along with clearing the JEE?
Saratya, you take it forward.
Some students who cleared the board exams as well as the JEE in the same year.
Who topped the board exams? Who topped the board exams along with clearing JEE, obviously. So can you name few students? Yes. Kalpesh Krishna. Kalpesh Krishna is the right answer, sir. Yes. और बोलो. Any other answers? Giridhar. Giridhar Sham is the right answer. Hello. Oi, sorry. Okay, any other answer? Yes. Rohan Prinja. Rohan Prinja is the right answer. Any other answers? Kartik. Sundra Rajan. Sundra Rajan. अरे कितनी चॉकलेट लेगा यार तू? So ultimately this goes to show that BT students are doing not just well or outstandingly in JEE, but they are doing amazingly well in other exams as well, like boards, like BITSAT, like KVPY, and all the exams that we've talked about. Yes, next question.
Every year, Sir Vaibhav sir arranges for the Whiskit puzzle competition. So on which date is it held and what is the speciality of the day?
कोई पीछे से अब. Let me go a little back. सब आगे वालों को चॉकलेट्स मिल रही हैं. Yes, I can see a hand raised there. Yes.
Vaibhav sir's birthday, 14th October.
14th October, Vaibhav sir's birthday. I think it was quite an easy question. जिसने हाथ ऊपर पहले कर दिया उसको मिल गई चॉकलेट. Okay.
In Vaibhav sir's early age, he's beaten grandmasters such as Abhijit Kunte, Abhijit Gunta, Goneru Hampi. In which game are we referring to? Everyone knows it's chess. But in what state was he the under-18 champion in chess?
Chess, so obviously all of us know. In which state he was the junior champion? Okay, I can see so many voices. Yes. Okay, can we have the last question?
How many students have overall qualified from Bakiwal tutorials for the IIT since past 10 years?
I think this is a little difficult one. थोड़ी calculation लगेगी इसमें. But any answer which is close to the number that we have.
Fine, we'll give you all a few options. Is it between 3 and 400, 5 and 600, 7 and 800, or 600 and 700? That is correct. It is between 600 and 700. Bakiwal Tutorials has produced 653 people from Pune who have cleared the JEE in the past 10 years.
Yes, chocolate. Who had answered it correctly? सभी हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं अब तो.
Aside from Pune, Bakiwal has expanded its branches and spread its wings to which 3 other cities?
all three answers are required. All three have to be correct for the chocolate. Yes, I can see a hand raised there.
Aurangabad, Solapur, Baramati.
Correct. Aurangabad, Solapur and Baramati.
Apart from Pune, we are operating at 3 more places now. Sholapur, Aurangabad and Baramati. At Sholapur, from Sholapur, I feel so proud to tell you that last year we began with a small number of students, and this year, out of the 104 selections that we have had, 1 belongs to the Sholapur city from the very first batch. And next year, we are expecting not less than at least 15 selections in the JEE advanced exam from the Sholapur city. At Aurangabad and Baramati, we have just started. We have only begun with a foundation course with small number of students, foundation course to begin with.